Our journey began in 1982 when two friends opened the first Christian Brothers Automotive in Mission Bend, Texas. Since that time, we've grown to almost 250 locations, and we've repaired and maintained thousands of cars and trucks across America. As we approach our 40th anniversary, we look back on what has changed. Cars have certainly evolved, and what people have come to expect from their repair and maintenance specialists has shifted as well. But what hasn't changed is who we are as a company. From the beginning, our faith in Christ has been the bedrock of our organization, and we express this belief by serving others with integrity, kindness, transparency, and compassion. This will never change. What else won't change? It's something that continues to drive our engine. It's joy. At the very core of Christian Brothers Automotive is joy. But joy isn't a theme or a slogan. It's who we are. And true joy is impossible to fake. Let's make 2022 the year of driving joy.